Well, it's getting close to Thanksgiving, and I was thinking of what am I going to make for an appetizer before people come to dinner. And my first thought was to go to a charcuterie board. And one of the nice things on charcuterie boards is to have some nuts. And so I thought I'd make my own this year, along with the way you put your cheese and your sausage and stuff. So this particular recipe, it calls for 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and as you know, we are dairy free, so we don't do that, but you can actually use coconut oil. And so I've melted some coconut oil. In addition, this is 4 teaspoons of Worcestershire, and we'll mix that up. And then in here I have a teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and actually I did a half teaspoon. We didn't want it like that hot. A teaspoon of kosher salt, and I'm gonna mix that all up in here. Add 2 cups of almonds. Make sure it's nice, they're all nicely coated. And before I start this, I have the oven heated up to 350 right now. And on a parchment papered cookie sheet. These all out. And you gotta kind of keep an eye on it at, I don't know, 15, 25, 30 minutes. You have to keep an eye on it and see when it's nice and crispy and crunchy. And we'll come back to it in a few minutes. Well, here they are. It's been about 15 or 20 minutes. And on your charcuterie board, it's always kind of fun to have some fancy nuts. It's a nice spicy taste, because the idea of a charcuterie board is to have all sorts of different flavors. Start thinking about what you're going to prepare for Thanksgiving.